Today I am going to speak about one of the important concepts that is called as marketing mix. To achieve desired results, the total offer is considered by the customer, and that is where we consider four main areas, and the combination of these is going to get accepted, it is going to attract the customer. Which are these four major decision making areas that you have to pay attention as marketer? It is product, price, promotion and place. That is why marketing mix is also referred to as 4 P's of marketing. In each of this category, you can have multiple choices, alternatives, and that is why lot of permutation and combinations are possible. There is some connection, there is some kind of dependence in decision making of these areas. For example, usually we observe that a better quality product is priced more, or sometimes a lower priced product is perceived as lower in quality. When we consider products, marketer can offer n number of products. Depending on the ingredients, its price can vary. Again, for pricing, each marketer can use and choose from multiple pricing strategies. In some cases, they will go for low pricing and mass appeal. There is another possibility where the price is so high that only few people will buy the product, but the profit margin on each unit is pretty high. For promoting, you have many choices, and that is why it is also considered as promotion mix, where you can choose advertising, selling, sales promotion, public relations, wherein you convey your message to your target audience, that is your prospective buyers or your current customers. Again, you will find that how much you spend on promotion may have influence on what is the price. For example, if you go for celebrity advertisements, these celebrities are going to charge huge amounts, and to recover this investment, your pricing must cover that cost. Many NGOs, they cannot afford expenditure to be done on advertisement, and they may go for public relations, which may come at a low price or sometimes even free of cost. Like this, you will find that each marketer is going to make choice of various combinations. Place or physical distribution connects the manufacturer, marketer to customers. It is possible that your product is easily available at many places, or you may choose to selectively distribute it at only few locations. Depending on what you choose, your reach varies, your cost of distribution varies, and all this ultimately may get reflected in the price if it is cost-based pricing. You will find that product, price, promotion and place, these decisions are to be taken in coordination with each other to get your total offer that attracts your target audience, target customer. And each marketer may use different combinations that will focus on appealing to diverse market segments, diverse groups of people. When we call product, it can be tangible, something that you can touch. But similarly, you also need to consider intangibles, that is services. In case of services marketing, instead of 4 P's of marketing, there are in addition 3 more areas that you need to pay attention to, and it is people, process and physical evidence. The distinct nature of services require that you also consider the aspect of who is going to deliver services. Whether standardization of process of delivering service is possible, and physical evidence might be the end result of the benefit of getting certain services, consuming certain services, or physical setting where these services are provided for. So, these decisions are important, and these decisions will have effect on long-term profitability and sustainability of any business proposition. You cannot change them again and again, and so you need to be very careful. You must consider the effect, impact, repercussions before finalizing, before deciding the important parts of marketing mix. Marketing mix is the set of marketing tools that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives. And to achieve those objectives, you have to choose right path and right tools. Thank you.